So in today's lesson, we would be taking a look at the atomic structures. The atomic structures tells us two things. The first one is what is in an atom. The second one is how are they arranged in it. What does an atom contain and how it is arranged. These are the two things we'll be looking on. So this is simply the structure of an atom. Atomic structure simply means the structure of an atom. It tells us the exact positions of the subatomic particles, which include the electrons, protons, and neutrons in an atom, where these three are located. The location in an atom, this is what atomic structure is all about. Do you understand? Atomic structure is quite vast, but I'm going to use the best of simple English to make us understand. Now, the protons and neutrons are found in the nucleus, which is the smallest cycle of an atom. If you look at the diagram of an atom, like as you can see on the screen, the innermost cycle, that is where the protons and the neutrons are located. That is called the nucleus. Why the electrons, they are different. They are found outside the nucleus on the shell. They move around it continuously, just as the earth moves around the sun. Do you understand? So don't get confused with the big grammar in chemistry. The proton and the neutrons inside the nucleus of an atom, the electron around the shell. The electrons, they are negatively charged, the protons, they are positively charged, and this makes them to bind together continuously. So let's look at models in chemistry. Have you wondered why there are so many models in chemistry and science related courses? This is because models are just something used to describe or explain an idea, object, or process that cannot be experienced directly. Models are quite important because with the help of these models, scientists are able to predict things, situations about our world and help us have a better understanding on the patterns and the way things happen in our world today. Scientists oftentimes use these models through charts and pictures to represent objects that are too small to be seen, like an atom, events that happen too fast, an earthquake, objects that are too large to be seen, your planet's Earth, objects that are no longer in existence. Example, an animal, a dinosaur, it's no longer in existence, and events that occur too slowly to be noticed. For example, your mountain formation. So scientists use these models to represent, to explain better on these things. By using this model, scientists are able to predict things through charts, pictures, diagrams, and illustrations for us to understand better about our world. Model is just one person's idea on the possible way they see a thing, so it has to be argued on and deliberated on. Some models that are not in use are not really thrown away. Rather, they are reviewed to improve one's understanding about the world or used as an hypothesis. Hypothesis is something made for the sake of argument, so it can be tested to see if it's true or not. In chemistry especially, there are lots and lots of models. This could be because maybe the models don't have the correct information or data, or maybe because it has evolved time, or maybe because it has been argued upon and it's not seen to be true. So next time you're reading a chemistry book, don't get scared, don't get intimidated by models, understand what it's saying, and then you're good to go. Don't rush chemistry, don't cram chemistry. Understand the basis, it's quite simple. Thank you and bye.